Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited to have Emily Moore Designs products here, and I'm filming at night, so excuse the light. I should have used my other light and I wasn't thinking it was like 9:30 p.m. So I'm grabbing some Catherine Puller inks, and this is sangria and all that jazz, and we are using a stencil set called Simply Diamonds. I have some white cardstock here, and I just wanted to use some small brushes and ink blend with these two colors that I thought are really pretty for a birthday card. And if you haven't checked out Emily Moore Designs, her company is fantastic. And I recently have received a bunch of her products, and I'm so thrilled, and I wanted to get started on making some videos so I can share these products. And I will have what I used in the description. I will have to check if she has an affiliate program. I am not affiliated, so I will check on that. So just using, and if you haven't used Catherine Puller inks, they are so amazing. I always reach for them all the time with my stenciling. And the reason that I'm using these small blending brushes is there's little dots, and I was trying to get in those nooks and crannies there. And smaller brushes make it a little bit easier, although with a big brush you could probably stencil a little bit quicker. But I was just taking my time, enjoying my process. I was watching a crime show while I was ink blending. So those have been addicting lately. One comes on and I finish it, and then another one gets recommended to me. So lately that is what I've been watching. So I am just finishing ink blending here. This is white cardstock, 110 pounds. And here is what it looks like again. I forgot to change my lighting here, so I'm so sorry with that light there. So really pretty and subtle, and I love it. And now I'm just going to cut my cardstock down to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and this, then we will use the Happy Birthday die set, which is called Big and Bold Happy Birthday, and oh my gosh, I am in love with this die set. I haven't used the smaller one yet. And I did ink blend the ends of this panel just because white space is a little hard for me. And so here are the dies, and I've showed it in my video, my unboxing, which I will link down below for you as well. I also have a little short, so I'm going to cut it out in this white cardstock, and you see I have a little bit of stenciling on that cardstock as well. That's where I cut out this scripty birthday, which was so fun, and it's very subtle, but in person you can really see the little stenciling on there. And then here's some pattern paper from my stash. And I was loving these two colors together. Those are the dot options. So you have the dot, a heart, and a star. And I was going to leave the happy white because I love all that stitching there. It's so amazing. But I'm going to ink blend it. And I know usually I ink blend before I glue it onto my panel here, but I am going to ink blend with the residue ink on my brush here and just ink it, which was kind of fun and easy to do since we all have residue ink left over, right? So there we go, and it's done. Then I will add my scripty birthday and shadow to my panel here. And I have a white A2 card base, which is Nina 110 pounds, up above there. And this card is, look how fast this card came together. So I love fast and easy birthday cards. I think I'm going to make a bunch of these and have them off to the side, and they are ready to go for my crafty friends. Although I've been a little bad lately, and I have to get a belated birthday card out. hopefully tomorrow or today as I'm filming it or doing this voiceover. So I'm just going to add my dot option, and I chose the star. The star is really pretty. You can ink blend the star as well. I almost did that, maybe next time, but I really love this set, so I'm gonna have to do the smaller set now, but I really am in love with this big happy birthday, the big and bold. You get 4 dies and 6 pieces here, so love. So great great die set from Emily Moore Designs, and I will be making more tutorials using those products that I received. I'm always thankful and blessed, and if I get sent products, then I really want to make sure the company knows how thankful I really am. So that's why I'll be fitting those in and making some reels as well. So yeah, if you are on TikTok as well, follow me there because I am posting there here and there. I just got started. So yeah, I would love to follow you back. And just putting my panel on. It's still hot in my room. I don't have AC in my room, so it's been a struggle lately. So putting my stamp block on there, I'm going to add some enamel dots from Doodlebug, and I'm going to go with some pink, and that makes for this fun and girly birthday card. I love it, so you can't say it enough. Happy birthday. It's so big and bold right there. I love it so much. So I hope you enjoyed this fast and easy tutorial, and check out Emily Moore Designs, and thank you for joining me today.